A wind turbine is a device that converts the kinetic energy of wind into electrical energy. Since 2020, hundreds of thousands of large turbines in installation known as wind farms were generating over 650 gigawatt of power with 60 gigawatt added each year. Wind turbines are an increasingly important source of renewable energy and are used in many countries to lower energy costs. Smaller wind turbines are used for applications such as battery charging for auxiliary power for boats and to power traffic warning signs. Large turbines can contribute to a domestic power supply while selling unused power back to the utility supplier via electrical grid. The amount of electricity generated by wind increased by almost 273 terawatt hour in 2021 up to 17%. A wind turbine has three major components: rotor, generator and surrounding structures.